All right, here we go with our next video from page 162, 5.1. We're going to find and compare unit rates. But first, we're going to go over the problems at the bottom of page 161. Number 6 is talking about a sports center paying buying 1.25 acres of land for $100,000. So we want to find the unit rate for that. So you start with your $100,000, and then we're dividing that by 1.25. If I multiply this times 100 over 100, this becomes $10 million divided by 125. And if you put 125 into 10 million, you'll see you cannot put 125 into 100, but it goes into 1,000 8 times. And then we just fill in our other zeros. So the answer would be $80,000 per acre is what they paid. $80,000 per acre. Okay, number 7. A few years ago, when the fuel tank in Sally's car was completely empty, she paid $63. $63. And she got 22.5 gallons. So we need to find the unit price that she paid per gallon for 1 gallon. And we would then have to do the division on that. But to make it easier, we're going to multiply top and bottom by 10. So this becomes 630 divided by 225. Well, again, if we do the math on that in the division, 630, 225 can go in twice, that's 450, but 3 times that would be too big. So we're going to put 2 here and just double that number to 450, and we end up with 180 when we subtract. And then we're going to add a 0 onto there, and we get 1,800. Well, what's 225 times, let's try it by 8. 5 times 8 is 40. 16, that's 20. 2 times 8 is 16, that's 18. Oh, there it is right there, okay. So we've got $2.8 or $2.80 per gallon. All right, that's going to be it for that video. I'm going to make another video explaining how to do page 162.